Look at this, Midjourney 5.2 got some insane zoom updates going on, so let's check those out. So I'm going to test this out with a regular portrait image because this is basically the default image setting in Midjourney. Most of the time it creates these default portrait shots, and now with the new zoom options, you're going to be able to zoom out the portraits and eventually create a full body shot. So I'm going to upscale, for example, the third image, and check this out. Here we got three options: zoom out 2 times, zoom out 1.5 times, and we got custom zoom as well. So I'm gonna zoom out 2 times first, and I'm also gonna zoom out 1.5 times, and then I'm gonna show you the custom zoom. And the first one is the 2 times, second one is 1.5. And it of course generated 4 versions with 4 type of backgrounds. And this is how it looks upscaled. And of course you can zoom out another time till infinite, but now we're gonna check out the custom zoom. And here you can add more prompts and elements, what you want to include in the image that gets zoomed out. So I'm going to type in here car, submit. And look at that, it added cars in the background. Of course, they're not generated correctly, but you can generate with this button other variations. This one actually came out decent, so I'm gonna zoom out more. I'm gonna go with zoom out 1.5 times instead of 2, because if I do with 2, this might include some errors and might mess up the composition. The 1.5x is the most safest one. But you can test out both, see what's up. So this is how I work with the new zoom settings in Midjourney 5.2. Thanks for watching.